Chasing sharper minis, cleaner cosplay parts, or dependable small batch production. The latest resin printers bring real upgrades where it counts, like smart failure detection that saves resin and time. In this video, I'll show you the 7 best options you can find right now. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Uniformation GK3. If your current resin printer keeps you batch printing small parts, the GK3 feels like a breath of fresh air. The build area, about 11.8 by 6.3 by 11.8 inches, lets you knock out helmets, props, or entire squads of minis in one go, without slicing models into awkward pieces. Cold shop? No problem. A smart built-in heater warms resin to 25 or 30 degrees Celsius before you start, so viscosity is consistent, and first layers stick with far fewer retrees. You spend less time fiddling and more time finishing. Uniformation also beefed up motion. An integrated industrial-style Z module with a ball screw cuts wobble and layer banding, which means cleaner surfaces and less sanding. For long prints, convenience matters. An automatic resin feeder keeps the vat topped so you do not wake up to a dry failure. Quick release plate and vat, a side hook for drip-off, and an interior light keep the messy parts controlled. Great for busy studios. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Elegoo Mars 5. Mars 5 Ultra is the fast plus smart upgrade for makers who want to move from single test pieces to reliable batches. Its tilt-release separation shortens Z moves, so speeds can reach up to 150 millimeters per hour, yet prints still look clean thanks to resin calibration presets. Setup is nearly foolproof. One-click leveling uses a mechanical sensor and spring to find home precisely, and the printer throws alerts for low resin, debris, or high light panel temperature. Then resumes after interruptions so you do not lose a job over a hiccup. An onboard AI camera watches for empty build plates, edge lift, or warping. You can time-lapse for fun or for process control, and best of all, catch issues before they waste a whole bottle. Cluster printing over Wi-Fi lets you queue files to multiple machines on the same network. Detail holds up beautifully. A 7-inch, 9,000-pixel monochrome LCD, about 17 by 18 micrometer XY, with a uniform light engine keeps tiny text and textures crisp. For hobby farms or a small studio turning out repeatable parts fast, this is a dependable workhorse. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Anycubic M7 Pro. If you chase both speed and finish, M7 Pro leans into high throughput without sacrificing nuance. With high-speed resin, Anycubic quotes up to 170 millimeters per hour at 0.1 millimeter layers, plenty for overnight armor parts or production minis. What makes the surfaces pop is the 14,000-pixel Light Turbo 3.0 system. Fresnel optics and tight light angles reduce stray exposure, so panel lines, scales, and embossed logos look like you machined them, not printed them. It is a noticeable step up on clean edges. The machine helps you print year-round. A temperature-controlled resin vat brings cold bottles up to a consistent range before and during the job, so your exposure settings stay valid from winter mornings to summer afternoons. Auto refill keeps the vat steady on tall prints. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Creality HALOT X1. Creality's HALOT X1 is for makers who want cutting-edge control and minimal plate leveling drama. The fixed, factory-leveled build plate means you unbox and print. A 16,000-pixel, 10.1-inch screen, 14 by 19 micrometer pixels, drives ultra-clear parts at up to 170 millimeters per hour. Its AFU resin management is genuinely smart. An integrated heater brings vats to temperature in minutes. RFID tags auto-load resin profiles, and laser sensing handles auto-feeding and recycling. Real-time weight monitoring tracks how much material the job will use. No more guessing if a bottle will make it. Exposure is targeted. 92 independent light zones ignite only where needed, cutting overcure and extending screen life. Creality's slicer even suggests model placement that balances screen wear, handy if you print for business and want your LCD to last. Under the hood, a top-down optical system keeps the build plate stationary while the optics and vat move. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Anycubic M7 Max. When your ideas outgrow normal, M7 Max says, print it whole. With roughly 11.7 by 6.5 by 11.8 inches of space, you can build full masks, sprawling terrain, or one-piece cosplay shells without seam-filling marathons. Consistency is the theme. Light Turbo 3.0 combines a COB source with Fresnel optics to keep light angles within about 3 degrees and uniformity above 90%. Paired with precise lead screws and anti-aliasing, layer lines tuck away and edges stay true across that big panel. It is quicker than the previous big Anycubic, too. Intelligent Release 2.0 brings speeds up to 60 mm per hour, a 2x jump versus the older M3 Max. So large jobs do not eat your whole week. A flip-up cover holds at any angle past 45 degrees, saving space at the bench. After printing, the angled drip hang lets resin flow back into the vat, not onto your table. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Phrozen. Phrozen is the detail meets throughput champ for makers who want crisp, production-grade parts. It is a calmer operator. An integrated heater holds resin around 30 degrees Celsius for higher success, and auto-leveling finds Z0 without the usual shimmy and tighten routine. Debris detection stops jobs if anything sneaks between the plate and the release film on that first critical layer. Failures get caught early. With failure detection enabled, the machine flags anomalies fast. Add the Phrozen Go Cam to monitor progress remotely, and you will save bottles from printing air. It also supports the pump and fill accessory for auto resin management when you print tall. Maintenance is thoughtful. A sealed motor structure protects internals from leaks. LCD replacement is simplified via an accessible ribbon connector, and plug-in air purification/vent ports keep your workspace more comfortable. It is premium where it matters: print quality, uptime, and day-to-day sanity. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Anycubic M4 Ultra. Anycubic's M4 Ultra deserves a spot in this video because it blends high precision, high speed, and protective smarts in a compact footprint most desks can handle. The new ACF film and release algorithm push speeds up to 120 mm per hour while keeping dimensional accuracy tight, so even fast mode minis look intentional, not blobby. The light engine is dialed. A cob source with Fresnel optics holds light cones within roughly 3 degrees. A uniformity algorithm keeps exposure above 90% across the panel, so parts at the edge match parts in the middle. Fewer reprints, more keepers. What seals the deal is intelligence. Auto inspection, residual resin checks, leftover monitoring, failure detection, and lifespan management reduce operator error and protect your screen. A clean 4.3-inch interface, multi-language support, and friendly workflow make it easy to recommend, whether this is your first resin printer or your next production unit. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best resin 3D printers you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.